The owners were told by another pool company that they can't have a pool as it's too tight, so they came to us. We drafted up a plan and showed them that it was possible to give them their dream pool. Everything about this pool install was tight. We barely squeezed our equipment in. We had to grout inject the soil around the house and boundary wall to ensure that the structures were supported during the excavation. Once we marked out the area for the pool, we began excavating. This pool was installed within just 200 millimeters of the boundary fence. The owners selected an Acrylic Aqua Haven. Acrylic pools are UV and scratch resistant, making them a durable pool choice. Now that the site works are finished, it's time for the crane to set up and get ready for the lift.
Every time I get ahead, I end up going 2 steps back. So tonight, I'm just gonna let this one ride. You know what I mean?
The pool is lifted in with precise crane work to narrowly avoid the fencing roof of the house.
One unique, one special.
Once the pool was in the ground, it was time to fill it up to commence the backfill. If you've been told no by another pool installer, why not come and see us? Stay tuned for the finished result.
It's one unique, one special.